Zach with Dwell Inspect Arizona, and you don't see this every day. We're doing an ROC inspection on a new build, and I have personally never seen mushrooms growing in a secondary pan before. So over here. And then also, there's some suspected mold growth going on in this pan as well. So, a couple of concerns here, potentially with some health factors. So I'd potentially just have this looked at by an HVAC technician to either clean this pan out or replace it. Zach with Dwell Inspect Arizona, and have a great day.